Hiwa-i-te-rangi is the final star that signals Matariki is nearing its end. Hiwa means vigorous growth, and its name is associated with the promise of a prosperous season. It is to Hiwa that Māori would send their dreams and desires for the year, in the hope that they come true. Let us support you in making that dream come to fruition, as we support to build the Māori leadership capability within the health sector and enable Māori to thrive and support their community. Hiwa-i-te-rangi Māori Health Scholarship. The New Zealand Health Group is committed to supporting to build the Māori health workforce. We invite you to put your application forward for this year's $20,000 Workforce Development Scholarship to support you towards completing your qualification in Māori Health Leadership and Wellbeing Studies. Up to $10,000 is the most any one scholarship will be awarded. Who is eligible? This scholarship is open to anyone in Aotearoa who has Māori descent and a desire to build on their training and qualifications to address Māori equity through leadership. They must also be able to demonstrate their commitment to increasing Māori leadership within the health sector, show their passion for health equity and building a responsive health service for Māori, show their commitment and involvement in Te Ao Māori. To apply, please follow the instructions on our website. Terms and conditions apply. All applications are assessed by a panel of health experts.